Hi guys! If you're posting on social media every single day but still not getting views, likes, or followers, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you a secret website that can help you boost all your social media growth instantly. So let's start. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Smmyfit.com. When the website opens, you need to create an account. Click on Don't have an account? Sign up. Now enter your WhatsApp number, your username, your email, set a password, and then sign up. It's very simple. After logging in, you will see a full dashboard with services for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, and WhatsApp. You can get likes, views, followers, comments, and subscribers, literally everything. And yes, you will also see some cheap premium subscriptions apps like CapCut and Canva, as compared to other panels. Now let me show you how to add balance. Click on the three lines on the top left and select Add Funds. You'll see different payment methods. I recommend using Pay Fast. Enter the amount you want to add, check the box, and continue. Here you'll see three options: Bank, Easypaisa, and JazzCash. I'm using a mobile wallet, so I'll select Easypaisa. Enter your wallet number, click Pay, and then Continue. Now open your mobile wallet. After logging in, you'll see a payment request. Tap Pay Now, and your payment will be completed. Go back to the website and click on Back to Merchant. Your balance will be added within 2 minutes. And if you are not from Pakistan and you still want to use the YFIT website, no problem. You have multiple international payment options. If you prefer crypto, you can pay through Binance. If someone is from the UAE, they can use Ian Money or Dubai Islamic Bank. And very soon, we will add more payment methods for India and other countries as well. Now let me teach you how to add funds using JazzCash. On the same payment method page, select Pay Fast, then choose Wallet. Now select JazzCash. Enter your JazzCash wallet number. Click on the Continue button. Now open your phone and go to your JazzCash app. You will see a payment request. Approve the payment inside your JazzCash app. After approving the payment, come back to the website and click on Back to Merchant. That's it for JazzCash. Your funds will be added within 2 minutes. If the balance does not reflect in your wallet, simply contact the support team. Now let's move to how to place an order on Smmyfit. Click on New Order. In a new tab, search for your Instagram account. Choose any reel or post you want to grow. Copy the link of that reel or post. Now come back to the website. Paste the copied link in the link box. Write the quantity you want, and then click Submit Order. That's it for this video. Hopefully you learned how to use Smmyfit properly. Thank you for watching and best of luck for your growth.